Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Know the server IP or host name, port, and credentials so the client can connect. Install a solid FTP app and grant storage and network permissions immediately. Once done, open the app and choose New Connection or Add Site, then enter host, port, username, and password. Make sure passive versus active mode is configurable in the app. Set passive if NAT or firewall issues exist. This gets you ready to initiate the first live connection attempt without delay. You now configure protocol and security. Pick FTP for simple transfers, FTPS for TLS encryption, or SFTP for SSH-based security, depending on your server. Next, set passive mode to avoid NAT problems, choose the correct character encoding, and optionally set a default remote folder to speed navigation. Tap Connect, watch the status log, and confirm a successful directory listing appears. If it connects, save the site profile and enable Quick Reconnect so future sessions are one tap away. You finish by validating transfers. Upload and download a small file to confirm read/write permissions and transfer modes. Once verified, set preferred default folders, sync options, and background transfer limits. If transfers fail, check timeouts, switch passive versus active, and confirm the server allows your IP and port through its firewall. Make sure credentials are correct and review server logs for rejected connections. That single log line often reveals whether the issue is authentication, port blocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.